Hey guys, so this is how to add a logo to your CapCut video. So go ahead and open CapCut, and I already have a project open here for me. So what I'm going to need to do is click on Overlay, then click on Add Overlay. Then I'm going to go to Photos, and I'm going to add a photo of the logo that I want to add to my video. So I'll choose this Binance logo, for example. Then I will click on the Add button at the bottom right. And then what I need to do is look for the remove background option. And there it is. And then after that, just click on chroma key and choose the color inside the picture that you want to remove. So I want to remove this background color, the gray color. And then I will drag up the intensity all the way up. And then it gets rid of the color. And then I will click on the check mark on the right. Then I can just adjust the size and the place of the logo. So if I want it to be in the corner, for example. And yeah, there it is. This is how easy it is, guys. This is how to add a logo to your CapCut video.